Residents of Rocky Point, Clarendon now have increased access to water following the recent commissioning of a well. The announcement was made by Minister with responsibility for water in the Office of the Prime Minister, Colonel Charles Jr. Over 1 million gallons of water will be supplied by the well as part of plans to address chronic water woes in Clarendon.
Last week, the Kemps Hill well, a new well, was commissioned, which will provide 1.7 million gallons per day extra on top of the other well that we have.
Meanwhile, Maypen Mayor Winston Marage pointed to blockages in several communities which prevent the free flow of water. National Water Commission officials vowed to have the issue rectified and, in the meantime, offer temporary measures.
Now, the reality is that may not solve all of the problems, but it is surely going to give you a much better position than you're in now.